In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Notion for your startup team. We're going to build a simple, practical workspace that helps your team stay organized from the beginning. The goal here is not to create something overly complicated. Instead, you want a clear system your team can actually use every day for projects, documentation, meetings, and internal collaboration. First, create a dedicated Notion workspace for your startup team. This will be the central place where your company's information lives. A shared workspace makes it easier for everyone to find what they need without jumping between scattered tools or separate documents. As you set it up, think of it as your team's digital headquarters. Next, choose the right startup templates inside Notion. Templates can save a lot of time because they give you a strong starting point instead of building everything from scratch. Look for templates that support the core parts of your business, such as project tracking, CRM, hiring, meeting management, or internal docs. The key is to pick templates that match how your team already works, so adoption feels natural and not forced. After that, build a company wiki. This is one of the most valuable parts of your workspace because it becomes the go-to place for policies, standard processes, onboarding information, and important links. A good wiki reduces repeat questions and helps new team members get up to speed faster. Keep the structure simple and make sure the most important information is easy to find. Once your wiki is in place, create a project database. This is where your team can track work in a more organized way. Include the essential details for each project or task, like the owner, current status, and deadline. This gives everyone visibility into what's being worked on, who is responsible, and what needs attention next. If your team grows, this database becomes even more important for staying aligned. Then add meeting notes templates for recurring meetings. This helps your team capture agendas, discussion points, and decisions in a consistent format. When meeting notes are structured the same way each time, it becomes much easier to review past conversations and follow through on action items. From there, set page permissions carefully. Share pages with the right team members so people can access what they need while keeping sensitive information limited to the appropriate groups. Good permissions help maintain both clarity and security inside your workspace. Finally, review the workspace regularly and improve it as your company grows. Your startup will change quickly, and your Notion setup should evolve with it. A short review every so often can help you remove clutter, update outdated pages, and make the system more useful over time. With a thoughtful setup and regular maintenance, Notion can become a powerful operating system for your startup team.